Hello everyone. Today I learned the chemistry. In chemistry, I learned the basic concept of chemistry, that is mole. What I studied is the topics: what is matter and its classification. Matter is classified into two bases: on the physical and chemical basis. On physical basis, solid, liquid, and gas, and on the chemical basis, it is classified into two categories, that is impure substance and mixture, that is impure substance. In pure substance there is called element, metal and non-metal, and in impure substance there is mixture. After that I studied the classification of mixture: heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture, the mixture which has non-uniform composition throughout the composition, is called heterogeneous, and homogeneous mixture, it has uniform composition throughout the mixture. And I studied rounding off and scientific notation, and also studied scientific numbers. And I also studied the physical quantities which are under chemistry, and I also studied precision and accuracy. The topics is also included in basic chemistry are: what is atomic number, and what is atomic mass, and molecular mass. Also, what is mole? The mole is a number that is also called Avogadro number. It is also denoted by Na. The number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. It is a number which is represented as a mole. That's all what I studied in today.